Broadcasting LLC, its management, or its sponsors.
रेडियो जिंदगी लिसनर्स 15:50 AM पर ट्यून इन है आप एंड ट्यूसडे इवनिंग यू नो दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन यू कैन आस्क अबाउट योरसेल्फ any concerns, any questions about yourself, about your growth, about your future, and when is the right time to take the big plunge? Is it right for you to continue with your job or maybe switch to a business? And questions like that which can shape your life in a different way. So contact कर सकते हैं आप डॉक्टर भाटिया को by calling him, by connecting with him directly 408-639-5300 or through his website which is by his first and last name saketbhatia.com और या फिर आप अभी कॉल कर सकते हैं स्टूडियो लाइन पर अगर आपका कोई क्विक क्वेश्चन है 5107701550 पर हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया हु इज internationally renowned astrologer, has a PhD in astrology and is a certified numerologist. 25 years का experience है and he can definitely help you if you will connect with him. और जैसा कि वो बताते हैं, you can start with going on the website. You can put on all your details there and create your own kundali and see if you can understand. और जहाँ भी question है, definitely he's there to help you. Hello and welcome. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Vedika, and happy Tuesday to all the listeners as well. Again, good to be back. This time in the studio, not remote.
Yes.
तो पिछले हफ्ते हम बात कर रहे थे करियर की. We spoke about job loss. We spoke about what causes job loss. And show के end में हमने हर एक zodiac sign के बारे में बात की थी. Remember we spoke about how the year will be for Aries and Taurus career wise. तो इस साल हम बात इस शो में actually पूरे साल में we're going to talk a lot about career. We're going to talk about how you can improve your life in general. But आज के शो में we're going to talk about 3 topics. A little bit about career, finances, immigration, and physical health or mental health is what I'm going to call it.
So with that, you got all the software people, all the IT people hooked because these are the primary concerns they have in their life.
But अब क्या हो रहा है कि like today Facebook said or yesterday, right, we're going to lay off 4 or 5,000 people. And again, this is a start of a cycle. See, economy is not doing well. We know that. But companies are already acting like they are in recession. Earnings definitely अच्छी आ रही है companies की because they're cutting back on employees. तो आज का जो show है, again, it is focused on job loss. It is focused on financial instability during job loss. It is also being focused on the mental strain that you're going through because you've lost a job and relocation. तो हम क्या कहेंगे आज के शो में कि how as an astrologer we can see that in your chart and अगर दिखता है तो what preventive measures you can take और at least अगर नहीं ले सकते तो at least you can prepare for something. जब जॉब जाती है the first question you always ask is why, right? ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ? Why me? Why not my friends? मैंने ऐसा क्या किया कि हमारी जॉब चली गई? Generally it starts with a lot of feeling of shock followed by disbelief
Dejected.
followed by anger and then grief. ये trait होता है, right? Shock, disbelief, anger, grief, and then after that you start questioning yourself. What is my self-worth? What is my identity? And what does the future hold for me? अभी इस job loss में भी काफ़ी कुछ हो सकता है. Some people go through phases of isolation. Some go through depression. And some say, it is what it is. I have to accept it. I have to take a step. कोई यहाँ आएगा तो नहीं platter पे लेके और कहेगा, please take a job. I really need you to work for me. Because जब job चली जाती है, it is not just, it's like, it's a life-changing event. बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. You have to pay bills, right?
Yeah.
You may own a home, you may rent a home, you have food, you have everything you have to do. You have to make ends meet, and how are you going to do it? तो ये जो intersection है of loss, financial instability and just this mental stress that you go through, In astrology, we are actually able to see that. So if somebody comes to us and says, am I going to lose my job or should I get promotion? उनकी चार्ट देख के दिखता है कि प्रमोशन का टाइम है कि नहीं है. See, if you're anxious about your future and you want to take some preventive steps, then you might as well make sure that it doesn't lead to some sort of despair. Correct? Because
जी.
job loss has also caused strain in personal relationships for people. It
does,
impacts
yeah.
your health, family life. हर एक चीज उल्टी सील्टी हो जाती है.
Yeah.
अभी मैंने अपने नोट्स में 3 real life examples लिखे हैं, which I'll just say on this show right now. 3 cases that happened last week to me. First example is an individual who lost his job but immediately found another one. When I say immediately, I mean within 1 week. So scenario क्या था? He lost his job because company is downsizing, and after a brief search of no more than 2 days, he got another offer. Now you may wonder, how is this possible?
Yeah.
एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली जब उनके प्लैनेट्स देखे थे तो जुपिटर जो है, जो प्लैनेट ग्रेस, लक, फॉर्च्यून, एक्सपेंशन का प्लैनेट है, वो 10th हाउस पे बैठा है. व्हेन ही सिट्स इन 10th हाउस, ही बेसिकली सेज व्हाट, देयर इज अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ग्रोथ. हाउ विल यू ग्रो? Go get promotion in your office or quit your current job or got laid off. To make matters even better, उसकी दशा चल रही थी वीनस की. And Venus is in the 10th house. Venus is the planet of harmony and success. जब harmony success की दशा चल रही हो और जो planet Jupiter है वो आपके career घर पे हो, a job loss is actually a stepping stone in the right direction for you. It's a positive momentum thing for you. ये अच्छी चीज होती है. So losing that job is actually better for you because you got something else which is working out far superior. The second is an example which happened last week. Pata chala tha, but this happened about 2.5 months ago. She ended up losing her job. She's unable to find her job. But during this thing, we saw Mars, planet Mars, is not only aspecting but also transiting the 6th house. छठा घर सर्विस का घर होता है. Mars is the planet of action. Action is going on top of your service house, career house, and basically it tells you you have the drive to do something good. Mars is a good planet in this kundli. दशा चल रही थी यहाँ Mercury की. Mercury is business. Mercury is intellect. And Mercury was 8th house lord, जो कहता है other people's money. She actually took some money from friends' family, and she started a very small business, but she was able to start one. Job loss resulted in starting another job. And the third one was rather painful. An individual who lost his job and decided to go back home because उनका H1 नहीं हो रहा है. In this case हमने देखा कि ट्रांजिट क्या चल रही थी, and हमने देखा कि राहु की ट्रांजिट चल रही थी 9th हाउस पे. 9th हाउस इज द हाउस ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रैवल. अगर यहाँ पर कोई अच्छा प्लैनेट बैठा हो, जैसे जुपिटर बैठा हो, वीनस बैठा हो, या राहु, विच मीन्स आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सपैंड इट, देन यू कैन बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड कि इन दिस दशा यू आर गोइंग टू ट्रैवल. नॉट ओनली दैट, यहाँ पर जो केतु भी था वो उनके 4th हाउस पे आ गया था, विच इज देयर पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी, देयर होम. सो ट्रांजिट में राहु 9th हाउस पे है, ट्रांजिट में केतु बाद में it left the 4th house and went to the 3rd, and it was causing enough damage for them to not only lose the job but to also leave the country. H1 नहीं हुआ उनका. So आज के शो में what we're going to do is we're going to talk about astrological factors that affect job loss, that affect financial stability, how you can make money during good astrological phase, and how you can help your mental health, and finally immigration. ये सारी चीज़ें हम कैसे देख सकते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी में. सो इफ़ यू गो टू एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड यू से आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड दिस जॉब इज़ फॉर मी, शुड आई गेट प्रमोशन, शुड आई स्विच माई करियर, शुड आई गेट अनदर जॉब, शुड आई स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, कुंडली देख के ही करिए. टाइम्स आर नॉट दैट गुड राइट नाउ. बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. इट्स नॉट एज ईजी एज यू थिंक, एंड पीपल आरंट स्पेंडिंग एज मच एज यू थिंक. ओके
जी, definitely very important lessons. So before we plunge into this discussion, let's quickly take a call.
श्योर.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia.
Hi. Hi, Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, how are you? Good, good. What about you?
I'm doing good. This is Abhishek here. I have a question about my sister.
Okay.
she wishes to go for grad school and is in the process of applying to the universities for this fall.
Okay.
So I have a question regarding how does this year look for her.
Okay. And what is her date of birth?
It's 16th August,
16th or 15th?
16th,
And year?
1998.
And her place of birth?
That will be Bokaro Steel City.
Okay.
And time is 9:50 p.m.
So 2150. Okay.
Mhm.
And your question is just based on her education this year?
Yeah, so she wants to go for higher studies. Is applying for this fall. So my question is just regarding that. Yeah.
Bokaro is in which state now?
And this is in Jharkhand.
Yeah, the software needs to pull it up. Okay.
Sure.
Chalo, mil gaya.
Mhm.
So do you have any insights into her chart at all?
I have insights into her chart. Yes.
So she's an Aries ascendant, right?
Right.
So she's an Aries ascendant, and Mars is placed with Venus, Mercury, and Sun in the fourth house.
Mhm. Right.
Rahu is placed in. She wants to do a master's program, not
That's
bachelor's.
correct.
Yeah.
That's
In
correct.
astrology, masters is always run by the fifth house. Research is run by ninth house. PhD and higher education recognition is run by 11th house. So let's
Mhm.
focus on her fifth house right now. She's running Jupiter Dasha,
Right.
right? And Jupiter itself is in this kundli, it is fairly strong because he happens to be sitting in his own
One
house, and Navamsha also he is exalted.
Right.
Right now with Jupiter Dasha and Ketu making a transit coming on this, when is she planning on starting this?
She's in the process of applying to the colleges. So she hasn't received an admit. We are expecting results in March, April. So for this fall, like fall of 2025.
Jupiter Rahu Dasha starts February 26th, followed by Jupiter Saturn Jata Dasha in June. You already have a Rahu Dasha. If she's going to apply, she should be admitted before June. Then Jupiter Saturn Dasha comes, which actually is very good for this kundli. So long
Okay.
story short, she gets admitted. It will go strong. It will go very well. I don't see any problem.
Okay. One minor question. Which house do you see the Kalika Mandi in this case?
Galika Mandi is sitting in her ascendant, but Galika Mandi has certain rules. For Galika Mandi
Okay.
to be strong, the ascendant must be weak. Lord of birthday must be weak. She's born on Sunday, correct?
Right.
And her son has a great friend sign, and in the Navam's chart, sun is actually weak. So that's one issue. And then second,
Okay.
if we look at her ascendant lord, which is Mars, he happens to be debilitated. But Galika Mandi will only hit her during Mars Dasha, no other Dasha.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
So listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप the Sakit Bhatia Astrology Show, and if you have any questions, you can directly contact Dr. Sakit Bhatia. 408-639-5300 is the number. sakitbhatia.com website है जहां आपको सारी information मिलेगी उनके बारे में. And if you have any particular question, you can also email him info@sakitbhatia.com. So as we are picking such intense topics today, let's start with the emotional and financial turmoil of job loss.
Emotional and financial turmoil, right?
Yeah.
दोनों आते हैं साथ में. Why does emotional come? Simply because you have you feeling of lack of self-worth. कि ऐसा हमारे साथ क्यों हुआ? Right? Why is this happening to me? And so on. But इसके emotional is that, and financial, obviously you've lost your job. Now how are you going to make ends meet? Astrologically, we are trying to see what is impacting each of these. And quite frankly, you identify the houses and then you narrow it down to Rahu, Ketu, Saturn and Jupiter. अगर इन planets क्या कुछ असर पड़ रहा है आपकी कुंडली पे in the right time and right dasha, then it is going to cause a positive impact. If it is doing something negative in terms of this dasha, then you're going to lose your job, no matter what you try. Again, losing the job sometimes could be for your own benefit. You could start a company, you could start a business, you could relocate, you could move to a better place, you could move to a better company, you could get a better promotion. But at some times, अगर शनि भारी है आपके 10th house पे, it is going to stress you out. अगर केतु साथ में आ गया, then he's going to cause havoc because Ketu means detachment. You yourself will get detached. So आज के show में we will talk a little about each of those scenarios. कि if you come and meet us and say I want, let's say, you know, some detailed sort of analysis कि क्या हो रहा है कुंडली में, how can we see? Just by looking and saying कि शनि 10th house पे doesn't mean you're going to lose your job. There has to be some other factor involved, right? 10th house career है, 6th house service है, 2nd house money का घर है. Imagine अगर 10th house पे कुछ खराब है, 6th house खराब है और 2nd खराब है, it is the astrologer's job to be able to piece them together and say career, service and money are all impacted. It may result in job loss.
So, but how much before the incident actually an astrologer can guess?
Astrologer will never guess. You have to ask the right question. People come to us with all kinds of issues. Some come with health issues. Some come with, you know, children problem. Some come with marital problems. Some come with, say, हमें घर खरीदना है, नहीं खरीदना, property, business. I mean, it's very difficult in 1 hour to spend time and say, stop what you're doing. Let's focus on your job. We are answering what you need answered, right? काफ़ी लोग आते हैं कि हमारे पास बच्चा नहीं है. When do you think we'll have a child? Okay, so we spend some time and give windows and say this is a good time to conceive या अब बच्चा आएगा. या कोई आता है marital problems है हमारे. Marital problems तो दिख गए. Solution भी बता दिया. But if we're going to go and tell them something which is not being asked, then we'll have to look at the whole chart. It is as good as saying, hold on, I see diabetes in your life, or I see one of your parents passing away in 5 years. या हमें दिखता है कि आपका घर नहीं आएगा अगले 2 साल, या आपका एक्सीडेंट है 4 साल बाद. It's difficult to say everything. If you want to read somebody's chart in detail, you're going to have to spend at least a month with that person. There is so
Wow.
much detail we need. तो 1 घंटे में आपको very specific answers मिलते हैं, and people think this is a fast question answer session. Let's go, let's take 10 questions and get them answered. Your life is not that fast and neither are we. हमें time लगता है. It is better to give no answer than to give a wrong answer.
And there are so many things when you explain it. It is not just one house or one planet. There are so many aspects. There are so many relations between the planets.
People can ask, when will I get admitted into college? हमने बता दिया. But the right question will also be then, what is the right field? Should the college be here or will it be elsewhere? अगर इस field में किया, आगे जाके career भी इसी field में होगा, or will I switch careers? Is this something I'm going to start a business in or just work for someone? How happy will I be? Those are also important questions that should lead to what you're asking. It is not just open-ended as, you know, when will I get a job or something like that.
Let's take it as one of the show's topic, the right question somebody can ask.
I think that is very important, right? Because
Yeah.
जो questions होते हैं, they become very tricky for us also. आपने जो पूछा हमने answer कर दिया, and especially when we answer on radio. Most of the questions that you ask are single open-ended questions and हम एक answer दे देते हैं. But there is so much more to what you can ask, and quite frankly you should. I mean, if you spend 1 hour of your life getting better direction, you might as well do it.
So if somebody comes to you, let's say with a job issue, and then you see something like something drastic happening to the health in coming time. So even if that's not the question, you do talk about that, right?
So the way we do it is, if you say you want to come in and meet, you have to give your birth details at least bare minimum 1 day before.
Okay.
हमें 1 घंटा चाहिए आपकी कुंडली पढ़ने को. We're not asking you what question you're coming with. We will just study on our own.
Okay.
And we always start with health, mental health, physical health, relations, and then when you come and meet us, we have a ballpark estimate कि आपकी personality क्या है और कुंडली क्या दिखाती है. And then we'll start talking, okay, what about your job? And quite frankly, there are many cases where I'm telling people right now, I don't see any positive aspect on your kundali. I don't see any good dasha. I don't see any good planet. So I don't see you getting a job at least for the next 8 months, 1.5 year. नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So what are you going to do in that 1.5 year? You could either say, no, ये astrologer की बात नहीं मानते, हम खुद करेंगे. या 2, you say, okay, he's told me I won't get. Maybe I'll still keep applying on the side, and maybe I'll also try going back to school, enhancing my skills. Those are things you can do, right? कभी-कभी क्या होता है, 11th house is the house of networking. बट अगर नेटवर्किंग पे भी बुरा प्लानट बैठा हो, जॉब भी चली गई है, यू कैन बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड कि आपके फ्रेंड्स नेटवर्क इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू गेट अ जॉब. You'll have to figure out something else.
Polish your skills.
Polishing your skills is the best thing to do. How hard is it to go take some online courses, to go take some good college courses, enhance your AI skills or whatever you want to do, get better. And remember, जब job loss होता है, this is the one time I don't consider it to be a setback. I think it's a pause in your life. Setback और pause में फ़र्क ये होता है कि setback is you're dejected, कुछ loss हो गया, but ये जो pause है, it tells you new avenues. Can I start my own business? Maybe I wanted to do something. Remember, if you look at many successful people who have started big businesses, they've either done it because they weren't able to get a job elsewhere, or they got laid off or something else.
Alibaba is one of the top names which comes to
There are
my
many
mind.
more than that. People who couldn't get a job somewhere said, okay, खुद का business start करते हैं.
Yeah.
या frustration हो गया काम पे, they went and started something of their own. So think of this as an opportunity. And don't always tell me, especially as an astrologer, हमारी फैमिली में किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. कोई पैदा नहीं होता बिजनेस स्टार्ट करके. You have to, there are so many people whose parents have done business but they did service. It's all up to you. What do you want to do with your life?
Absolutely. So we have a caller waiting. Can we quickly take
Sure.
a call? Hello,
Yes,
you're
yeah.
on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Yes, thank you. जी नमस्ते साकेत जी.
Namaste, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How can I
Yeah.
help you?
जी साकेत जी मेरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ बताती हूँ पहले. December 16th 1984.
Okay.
रात के 2 बजे 2 AM इन नागपुर महाराष्ट्र.
Okay.
साकेत जी मेरा क्वेश्चन जॉब से रिलेटेड ही है. So thankfully I got saved in the job layoff this week. But the company is still like announcing continuous layoffs. So my question is, should I change the department within the same company or should I just change the company itself?
तो आपका your date of birth is December 16th 1984.
That's
सुबह
right.
सुबह के 2 बजे इन नागपुर महाराष्ट्र.
That's right.
तो आपकी जो कुंडली बनती है, you're a Virgo ascendant, इसे हम कन्या लगन कहते हैं.
बराबर.
आपकी राशि भी वही बनती है, कन्या राशि बनती है.
Mhm.
And your ascendant lord, which is Mercury, is sitting in the house of hobbies and courage. अगर करियर की बात करनी है अब, then let's focus only on 3 houses, okay? The second house, which is your income house, the 6th house जो सर्विस का घर है, and the 10th house जो आपका करियर का है. At this point of time, Jupiter is still sitting in your 9th house. अगर जुपिटर आपके ट्रांजिट करके जो इस कुंडली के लिए अच्छा प्लैनेट है, अगर वो 10th हाउस में आ जाता है, which is happening somewhere in June, that makes it a very positive aspect for you. At that same
Okay.
time, Saturn will switch from your 6th house to your 7th house, which is making it even better for you. And जो राहु केतु है, they will also be moving. My suggestion, दशा भी आपकी चल रही है जुपिटर सैटर्न की, और इस कुंडली में Saturn कहाँ बैठा है? Saturn is sitting in the house of money. My suggestion, don't switch your company. Look to move to within a different division, but don't do it till June. June के बाद करोगे, it's a better chance for you.
Okay, so I should stay where I am.
I think you should stay where you are. Because
Okay.
according to this kundli, let's assume hypothetically you do get laid off. Assume, hypothetically.
Okay.
जब दशा आएगी, जब जुपिटर जून में 10th हाउस पे आएगा, you'll likely get another job. So you shouldn't worry about that.
Okay, okay. Thank you साकेत जी. साकेत जी, और क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ, क्या मैं बिजनेस करूँ?
That's difficult to answer in the scope of this call. Business कर
Okay, no
सकते हो,
worries.
but business की 3 चीजें होती हैं. 1, when you want to start. 2, with who you want to start. And 3, what type of business you should do. ये open-ended question हो गया आपका. I suggest if you really want to start a business, you think you are interested because Mercury, which is the planet of business, communication, वो आपके hobbies में बैठ गया है. You may want to consider, but again, like I said, which field, when, and किसके साथ करना है. I mean, I always tell people, come meet me in my office. It's never a bad idea. It will only help you get more direction and more comfort कि okay, हम questions पूछ सकते हैं. If you want to do that, feel free, call our office. We'll be more than happy to sit
Definitely.
and guide you. Okay?
Definitely. Thank you साकेत जी.
Bye.
Thank you. And if you have more questions, you can direct them at 408 639 5300. Make an appointment and you can meet Dr. Bhatia. To all the listeners, again, the way you can connect with Dr. Sakit Bhatia directly is either through his website, sakitbhatia.com, or by calling directly at 408 639 5300. And if you have any quick question, you can always call on the studio line number, which is 510 770 1550. So, we did talk about the emotional and financial turmoil. So, are there any indicators of? I know you just gave couple of them, but astrologically, if we talk about, are there any indicators which can indicate in somebody's kundali of job loss or financial loss?
So there are separate indicators for each.
Okay.
And ये काफ़ी experience से आता है, like you have to keep reading charts, looking at examples, and then you understand why things are happening. So I'm going to limit this to only 4 planets:
Okay.
Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu,
Rahu
and
Ketu.
Ketu. Okay?
Yeah.
Now let's take this one step at a time. Saturn is a planet of delay, suffering. और Saturn जहाँ बैठता है बोलता है I am the law, you have to obey me. Saturn अगर आपके 10th house पे आएगा, he is going to make you work. In turn आपको कुछ देगा नहीं वो. Discipline देगा, hard work देगा, but ना recognition देगा, ना पैसे देगा, ना promotion देगा. सिर्फ काम कराएगा. I've always said, when you think of Saturn, think of a farmer who is working tirelessly, working very hard, and his goal is crops grow करने, but they don't know crops grow होंगे नहीं होंगे, quality क्या होगी. He doesn't have a clue बारिश आएगी कि नहीं, and that is what is happening when your Saturn is there. To answer your question about astrological indications, अगर शनि बैठा है and he is conjunct, मतलब same घर में with the planet sun or moon, या 10th house के ऊपर बैठा है या transit कर रहा है, this is a very clear indication that there is going to be some issue in your job.
Okay.
अगर शनि आपके सन मून से 4 घर दूर भी बैठा है ट्रांजिट में और वो भी 4 in the 10th house, there is an issue. Now remember, this issue can also lead to layoff. Okay? Especially अगर शनि 10th house पे बैठा है और 10th house में transit कर रहा है. Other issues that can happen is Jupiter in transiting 10th house but retrograde. अगर Jupiter retrograde है और आपके 10th house पे transit कर रहा है and you have lost your job, then for God's sakes don't try finding a job when he's retrograde. Because इस time पे you will suddenly feel overconfident, over optimistic, and you will think you can get it, but usually it doesn't work that way. In fact, जब Jupiter retrograde है, we always say, wait a minute, take a step back. Understand कि आपको क्या करना है. Do you think you want to keep sticking in this field? You want to apply in a different field? And then apply when Jupiter goes back to his normal life. On the other hand, जब ये 2 planets राहु केतु आते हैं, पहली बात तो हमें समझना कि राहु केतु होते क्या हैं. Right, I've always said that the point where the rising moon axis cuts the axis of the sun is Rahu, and the setting moon axis cutting the axis of the sun is Ketu. राहु expansion है, राहु desire है, राहु ambition है. जब राहु बर्थ चार्ट में बैठा होता है जिस घर में, वहां पर आपने रिस्क लेना है. If Rahu is sitting in your house of stock market, आपने वहां रिस्क लेना है. You will constantly plug money into the stock market and you will constantly lose money. राहु जहां बैठता है वहां नेसेसरली अच्छा नहीं करता. सेम वे जब राहु आपके 10th हाउस में आ गया, या राहु वो ग्रोथ देता है, you'll always be disappointed with what work you're doing. You always want more. मुझे और क्यों नहीं चाहिए? And these people always, the minute they lose their job, transit में जब राहु आता है, they say, let me start getting another one right away. Wait, don't do that. On the other hand, अगर केतु आपके 10th हाउस पे आ गया, isolation, detachment, this is a time when लोग कहते हैं कि जॉब चला गया, they'll sit in one corner and start crying. They won't make the attempt to get up and go. And it's nothing to do with them. It is to do with the planet. राहु कहेगा, yes, I am capable. कल ही रेज्यूमे बना के 100 रिक्रूटर को अप्लाई कर दूंगा. केतु बोलेगा, there is no need to apply. I am finished. I cannot get a job. कुछ नहीं होगा मेरा. I have given my best to the company. Saturn transiting that house, Jupiter transiting that house in retrograde, Rahu and Ketu, these are all negative factors. On the other hand, अगर job हमें aspect देखना है तो 6th house, 2nd house income, 10th house career. इसी से ही पता चलेगा कि आपकी job है, नहीं है, रहेगी, नहीं रहेगी. मिलेगी, कब मिलेगी, कैसे मिलेगी, कहाँ मिलेगी.
और इतना सब कुछ पता करने के लिए सबसे पहले है कि आपको कॉल करना है, अपॉइंटमेंट लेना है, ताकि पता चले कि इन सारे सवालों के क्या जवाब है.
I think today it is more important for people to call than it was before. Companies are laying off, and like this girl just called, right? And the
Yeah.
last call, what did she say? She said, should I stick in my company or should I go in a different company? And the answer is, don't do anything yet. Do it in June. Now June May, it's again, she has to decide if this company is still stable or not. And then again the next question, should I start my own business? Timing is important. I don't want people to start a business that goes nowhere for 10 years. Nowhere at all.
Yeah.
आपने 10 साल लाइफ के इतने वेस्ट किए हैं, इससे अच्छा है start a business a year before it is going to grow. At least you will feel better, you will feel comfortable. Life में timing important होती है. Don't waste your time. You have limited time in this life.
And so it is very important to talk to somebody who can tell you if the time is right or not. So listeners, of course आप अभी कॉल कर सकते हैं स्टूडियो लाइन पर 5107701550, बट यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन का रिस्ट्रिक्शन है. तो आप आफ्टर द शो डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कीजिए डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया के साथ इफ़ यू हैव मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस और इफ़ यू वुड लाइक टू टॉक इन डिटेल. 408-639-5300 is the number. Let's take another call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello, Bhatia ji.
Hi, namaste.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Doing very well. How can I help you?
Yeah, I have a question. I just wanted to ask you. November 29th, 74,
Okay.
2:20 a.m. in Chennai.
Okay.
So my question is, I think I have a 10th house Saturn from my Lagan, and then I have a 10th house Jupiter from my Rashi. So which one do I need to give more importance at this point of time? I think I understand mostly we give importance from Lagan. So my question is whether I'll get a promotion this year because I've been brought in. I had a end of contract last year, and then I did wait for a few months until I got this job. And then, but I'm very happy with this job, but I'm actually brought in at a lower level than I was before. So will I get a promotion this year?
So you're asking me, should you look from your Kundali from ascendant or should you look from the Rashi?
Correct.
Look from the ascendant.
Okay.
Generally, Rashi we will see in two cases. One, for women when the moon ascendant is stronger than the Lagan. Only for women,
Okay.
not for men. Number two,
Okay.
many astrologers will look at Rashi to understand the Dasha. You're running Jupiter Moon Dasha, right?
Correct.
So they will say, okay, let's start with Jupiter and then go to Moon. Now look carefully at this Kundali. Jupiter is sitting in the house of service. Jupiter is also transiting the 9th house, which is the house of luck, and he's transiting Moon. You got a job because you are running Jupiter, Moon, Saturn Dasha. Saturn is very strong in the house of career service, right? Sixth house is also delay, but eighth house is break, sudden transformation, loss. It also represents death, death of money. It can represent death of something else. It is also the house of other people's money, inheritance. And 11th house is your house of gains. अगर आपने कुछ side business start किया हो, या if you have some savings and you're getting interest, that is house of gains. अगर 11th house पे बुरा aspect है, you're going to eat up your gains, right? You're going to take that money away. Same way, अगर आपके 8th house पे कुछ बुरा aspect है, then financially it's going to be in turmoil for you. So when we look at a kundali as somebody who's, let's assume hypothetically, जिन्होंने अपना job lose किया है, and उनके second house, 8th house, 11th house पे खराब aspects बैठे हैं, then it is directly indicating you're going to be digging through your savings faster than you can imagine. That's why you need to do some financial planning. You need to prepare in advance कि क्या होगा. कितने लोग होते हैं जिनका घर बिक जाता है. They don't have a job, they can't make their mortgage payments. Fortunately, house prices are so high, or unfortunately, whatever you want, कि even if people sell, they're still going to make some money. But people still think twice. Why should I sell and move into an apartment? Well, it makes sense for you. At least prepare for what is coming your way. कल बीमारियां आती हैं, एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, सडनली लॉसेस हो जाते हैं. आपको ठीक से सोचना है कि क्या होगा. अगर शनि आपके सेकंड या एथ हाउस को देख रहा है या उनके ऊपर है इन ट्रांजिट, ही इज गोइंग टू कॉज स्ट्रेस ऑन दोस हाउसेस.
So when we talk about financial planning, are these the three houses we are going to consider and study?
Financial stability, financial planning is all dealt with these houses. But financial planning has a fifth house aspect also, which is stocks, intelligent, wisdom. वो भी देखना पड़ता है.
So in addition to second, eighth and 11th, we are also looking at fifth.
Only for planning,
Okay.
not for financial
Instability.
instability. वो अलग हो जाता है.
Okay.
Right? Eighth house is very important for debt, financial, partnership, transformation. ये difficult house है बहुत. In fact, it is considered one of the worst houses in astrology. Ninth luck है. 12वां loss होता है. Ninth से 12वां घर दूर is eighth house. That's why it is considered loss of luck, loss of spirituality, and it is also considered the house of death. How you will die, when you will die is all eighth house. आप किसके पैसे कब inherit करोगे is this. If you are going to face financial hardships, it is 8th house. जितने हमारे पास आते हैं, हमारा बिजनेस नहीं चला, फेल हो गया, डेट्स में आए, जॉब नहीं है, it is all 8th house. अगर इस पे खराब ट्रांजिट है, you are going to have some problems. 11th house पे अगर कुछ खराब एस्पेक्ट या प्लैनेट ट्रांजिट कर रहा है, you are going to wipe off your savings जब तक वहाँ आए. For some people, शनि अगर 11th house पे आया है, and he's a bad planet in that kundli, 2.5 years he is going to take away your money. How fast he will take is up to you. You decide.
Our decisions can impact that.
Your decision will impact it. Can तो दूर की बात है. It will impact it. Jupiter on the other house is a saving grace. वो आपके actually finances को बढ़ाएगा. He is going to make sure कि you make some money. Because Jupiter जो वहाँ बैठा है, अगर transit में, वो फिर भी अपने fifth house को देख रहा है. And being a Karak of fifth house, he tells you, good time to invest in stocks. Good time to take equity. People come to me and say, I've lost my job. I worked in the company for a year and a half. Should I buy my options or no? What do you recommend?
Big question.
It's an easy question. You simply see where Jupiter sits, where Mercury sits. You look at the fifth house. And based on those aspects, we say yes or no. And then we ask, when do you think this will mature? And अगर 5 साल में होगा तो दशा देख के कह सकते हैं this is going to be promising for you, or it's not going to be promising for you. But we have to do this carefully. If you've lost your job and you put your money in the startup, April 15th, 1969 in Pune, Maharashtra at 9:50 in the morning.
55, yeah, 9:55 a.m.
वो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा 5 मिनट का वहाँ पर 9:55 कर
Okay.
दिया.
Yeah.
So let's look at your kundli carefully. You happen to be a Taurus ascendant and your moon is sitting in the 11th house. Astrology में वेदिका के साथ बहुत बार कहा है शो पे, wherever your ascendant sits, that house will be safe and secure in life. Your ascendant is very well placed in 11th house, and he sits with exalted Venus, so he will give you good results. अभी आपकी दशा भी चल रही है मून राहु की. Very good indication. Okay, good luck.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Bye.
So we did talk about the financial and the emotional aspects, the psychological impact as well, a bit. So can we now talk about the immigration related to, like, how can you read immigration situations or ups and downs through astrology?
So immigration is a very touchy topic here.
Yeah.
I think there are so many people who don't have green cards, who are on H1, H4s, and अभी तो पता नहीं कितने साल लगते हैं ग्रीन कार्ड मिलने. The three houses.
जी.
9th house is house of long-term travel, which is also the house of luck. अगर Jupiter वहाँ गया है, वो आपको पकड़ के बोलेगा, I'm taking you back to India. I don't think I'm going to give you your green card that easily. But Jupiter जो है उस घर में सिर्फ 1 साल रहेगा. The second thing is 4th house. If Shani, Ketu, Rahu are sitting on your property, he's going to create stress in your property. And Shani is going to create stress for 2.5 years. Rahu, Ketu for 18 months. At this point of time, Saturn is going into Pisces and Rahu is going into Aquarius. And Jupiter is going to be on Taurus or Gemini. So depending on which kundli you are, some of these placements will apply to you. And some of them will apply to you in a pretty strong way. So for those of you who are wondering if you are going to get your immigration status or not, It's always a wise thing to check. The reason is simple. It will prepare you. There will be no shock for you. काफ़ी students हैं यहाँ जो हमारे पास आते हैं and we've told them that we don't see your Kundali giving you a job. So it may make sense for you to go back. यहाँ से apply कर लो. It's always nice. Then there are issues here where you can also try going to a different country. You don't necessarily have to go back to India. You can go to Singapore. You can go to Australia. There are so many possibilities and openings for you.
True.
But at this point of time, understand the economy is not good. Things are difficult. We've covered financial through second house, through 8th house, and through 11th house. We've covered career through second house, 6th house, 10th house. We've covered immigration through 3rd house, 9th house, and 4th house. These, for every house, we must study the house, the planet in that house, the lord of that house, and the aspects on that house, and the karak. यही पढ़ के पता चलेगा exactly क्या हो रहा है. And believe me, it will be almost 100% accurate as to what is going to happen to you.
So connecting all these
Connecting the dots
houses
is
and-
important. अगर हमने देखा है कि second, third, fourth, sixth, ninth, 10th, 11th, इन सब पे damage है, then we can say one of the following. You are probably going to lose your job. You're probably going to sell your home property and you're going to go back home. If we see a damage on all of these, but we don't see a damage on the 9th house, then we can say you're going to lose your job. You're probably going to burn through savings at a rather rapid rate. So please plan going back to school or doing something else. If we see something else which is related to your career, but sun आपका strong चला गया first house में, then we can say more than likely you're going to start your own business. So not everything is bad. But please, for God's sakes, ये कुंडली के ऊपर है, ये transit के ऊपर है. You're the same person who did well and got the job. Nothing changed.
right.
The same planet that got you a job is just taking it away from you. And he's saying, I have something else in store. You have to learn to adjust. You have to learn to adapt. Whether it is through enhancing your skills or it is through finding another job, headhunter, through friends, networking. पिछले शो पे हमने ये भी कहा था कि if your 11th lord is very strong और दशा चल रही है, it makes sense for you to reach out to your friends. They will help you get a job. Go network. But again, you are the one who has to take that step and figure out कि हमारी कुंडली में क्या लिखा है at this point of time. If you really think you want to invest in a business, do it. But do your own due diligence also. Make sure the person, the team you're working with is capable. And like the individual who called, I did tell him कि yes, you will do well. Undoubtedly you will do well if you invest. But सोच समझ के करना, because things are not in your favor for the next 1 year. That is starting in May. तो ये भी आपको देखना है कि हमने कितने पैसे डालने हैं, हम कितना डाल सकते हैं. There are some people who invested all their money in a company and moved into an apartment. I know this, only to do fantastically well 4 years down the line.
Wow.
They made $40-50 million, which is great. But again, it's a risk you're taking. तो आप सोचिए आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या है, और आज का जो टाइम है उसके हिसाब से चलना है. Again, this year is going to be tough. The economy is going to be difficult for all of us, and the best we can do is learn to adapt and navigate. Because जब farmer भी कुछ grow करता है, at some point of time the soil needs to be replaced, and when they replace, new plants come. It's a start of a new economy, new life that is coming your way again. It's a cycle and we have to live. I read somewhere recessions will be shorter and not as deep, which is good for us.
That's
means
really hopeful.
It's not going to be like the dot-com crash or like the 2008 जो ऐसे हुआ. ये short होगा, rather fast होगा, and things will automatically fall into place. So for all my listeners, again, I wish you all the very best. If you have questions related to astrology, numerology, Vastu, call, take an appointment, and I'd be more than happy to help you improve your life.
Thank you so much for all the insight and answering the questions. And listeners, if you have more questions, if you were not able to call during the show, or if you are calling right now and we can't take any more calls, you can always direct your questions directly at 408-639-5300. SaketBhatia.com, the website where you'll get all the information about Dr. Saket Bhatia. And when bigger things are at stake, it is really wise to take informed decision. So do connect with him if you have any question regarding astrology, numerology, vastu, आपको अपनी life में whatever big move you're making, it should be informed. So with that reminder, this is RJ Vedika signing off. सुन रहे हैं आप रेडियो जिंदगी. Stay tuned. RJ Swati is coming next with Cruise Control. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM, San Francisco.